Welcome to #CrackTheBoards. And in this video, we will look at how you can manage your time effectively while giving your social science board exam. So, as you all know, that in your exam there will be 1 markers, 3 markers, 5 markers and map work. But many a time, social science exam tends to be a little lengthy, and many a time students like you might get a little unnerved. But in this video, we'll look at how you can complete the paper before time. So let's start off with your reading time, when you get the paper in your hand. So when you get the paper in your hand, all you need to do is just scan through all the questions and look at all those that are easy and all those that you might find a little bit tricky. It's better to follow the pattern of the paper. But if you have been starting off with the 5 markers, please go ahead with it. But now we look at how much time you need to spend for the 1 markers. 7 in number, and I don't think it should take more than 15 minutes. So by 15 minutes, you must be over with your 1 markers. Now moving on to your 3 markers. And these 3 markers are 11 in number. And that is why there are 33 marks in total. So you need to try and finish them off by 1 hour and 15 minutes. That means you need to spend around 6 to 7 minutes in each 3 marker, right? It might go a little here and there, but approximately 6 to 7 minutes you spend on each 3 marker, and you'll be able to finish it within 1 hour and 15 minutes. So by 1.5 hours, you have finished half the paper. Now let's move on to the 5 markers. First of all, a few tips for 5 markers. You must remember that these answers should be written in points, and the important points must be underlined, right? So you must highlight the keywords so that the examiner also understands what are the important statements in your answer. Now moving on to how much time you must spend in your 5 markers. In your 5 markers per question, you must spend around 10 minutes. So that means 10 into 7, around 1 hour and 10 minutes you can spend in the 5 markers. So thus 2 hours and 40 minutes elapse after you give the 5 markers. The next 5 minutes you spend doing the map work. That's just 5 marks, so you'll be able to finish that off. You would ask quite fast. What should we do in the last 15 minutes? Well, the last 15 minutes you can spend for revising, for looking through all the questions, and then of course for looking at which question you have missed. It's very embarrassing if you have missed a question out, and most importantly, you must spend that time underlining the keywords and also making subheadings and ensuring that you have written answers appropriate. Lastly, I would just like to say that if you don't follow this time schedule as I've given right now, it is no problem at all. You can follow the schedule that you follow. So this is what I say and what I suggest to you. If you wish to take it, you can. If you wish to just dump it aside, you can do so also. No issues with that. But as you move out of the hall, go out with a smile on your face, because the exams are over now for you, right? So as you move out with a smile, go home, relax, enjoy. You have a great life ahead of you. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope this was helpful. Wishing you best of luck.